Hi, my name is Jared Bozigan, and I am the O&M instructor at the Chicago Lighthouse. I'm here today to talk about a new cane that we have in the store at the Lighthouse. It's called the WeWALK, and it's a high-tech cane that has some pretty cool features. So I will go over the uses of the cane, and later Patrick, our assistive technology manager, will go over the different uses of the app and the GPS function of the cane. So one of the great features about the cane is that it has a vibrating function when it detects obstacles nearby. So for instance, if I was to be walking with the cane and the cane is reaching out towards this pillar here, it would start vibrating to let me know that there is an obstacle over to my right. And if I got a little closer, I could actually feel it with my cane. So it would give me a little bit of a preview that an obstacle is coming before I actually encounter the obstacle. And it can also, so if I was walking close to a person, it would start to detect the person before my cane can find them. And so you would be able to tell where the objects are on your right or your left, depending on how far your cane swings out, and the sensor picks up the obstacle. Also, you could detect openings with the vibrating function, because as your cane is sweeping back and forth, if there's an opening, if you're following along a wall, it'll vibrate and continuously until you find the opening, and then it will stop vibrating, letting you know there's an open space there. So those are some of the functions that the vibrating sensor can help you with, but it gives you an advantage during travel so that you can anticipate your next move.
Hey everyone, this is Patrick Andrade at the Chicago Lighthouse retail store to show you a little bit about the WeWalk cane today. So this cane comes special with a WeWalk app. This is a free app on both the iOS and Android Google Play stores. What's nice about this app is that it also has low vision features enabled, so you can change the contrast, increase the size within the app, not just on your phone. WeWalk brings white canes to the next level with Bluetooth integration with your cell phone and the cane, allowing for easy integration with Google Maps, as well as possible future integration with apps such as Uber and Lyft, or even indoor navigation features. To learn more about the WeWalk cane, please come schedule a demo at the Chicago Lighthouse.